Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvika Chaudhary from Sri Visista Ayurveda Hospital, Visakhapatnam. I am MD Panchakarma and specialist in internal Ayurvedic medicines. So today we'll talk about a very well-known topic, what about meditation. And I just want to aware all of you that what kind of meditation is suggesting Ayurveda, or what is the role of Ayurveda in psychosomatic disorder, or how Ayurveda treat psychosomatic disorder, and how important is psychosomatic disorder in today's life, or how this psychosomatic disorder is impacting our day-to-day life and gives us unhealthy lifestyle. So from so many sages in our ancient sage, we are very well known about meditation. We are very well known. We are nowadays, we are really have our own spiritual gurus from whom we are just practicing meditation. But in Ayurveda, Acharya Charaka, who is the father of medicines from Ayurvedic medicines, so he suggested, or he has mentioned so many psychosomatic disorders or so many emotions, like where we that are interrelated with our bodily elements. So how we have to treat that? So Smriti meditation is a tool to interact the patients to get rid of more psychic problems, emotional problems, where there is a guilt, offense, or any kind of relation disputes. So in that case, Smriti meditation works very nicely. So today we'll see that what is Smriti meditation. Smriti is nothing but the memory which we can which we bring from our childhood, whether it is a good memories or whether it is a bad memories. Where good memories are always resemblance as happiness, a feeling of good being. But where a bad memories which are very gives us a childhood trauma or any relation disputes. So these all things, these are the some causes which gives us bodily trauma. Any kind of trauma can happen, whether it is cardinal symptoms or whether it can change into somatic disorders, or it can gives us any bodily elements. So Smriti meditation is the meditation where it is actually psychotherapy which recommend through Ayurveda. So what Ayurveda says about this psychotherapy? Ayurveda always has to bring out the deep conscious level. So this is the technique where we have to go to the patient or to the client in a deep conscious level. So all the root where the mind blocks is there, and there is a covering of this psychic emotions, or whether patient is having any guilt or any childhood trauma or any relation disputes, any stress at work, or any indecisiveness, or patient is facing some guilt, offense, and he or she is facing like there is no any hopelessness, there is no hope is there. So in this all kind of psychic emotions, this Smriti meditation can work fantastically. So how it does? So what is the process of this Smriti meditation? So it is a process where we can achieve our goal. So patient can find their goal, and patient can be happy throughout their life, or client can be happy throughout their life. And it is very important to find the etiology of any kind of body ailments. Where patient is suffering from arthritis, any chest pain, asthma, headache, if it is very chronic, and if patient is not finding or a doctor cannot find it, it's at etiological factor, that how it happens and what are the causes behind these all alignments or any kind of disease. So it can be there that with the help of these Smriti medications we can find out what is the psychological reasons behind it. So it helps us to give a treatment with psychological as well as physiological. With this all of causes, this Smriti medications gives us a very good ray of hope where we can find out the ultimate cause of the condition of the client or patient. So it helps us to achieve our life goal. It helps us to make our relations very beautiful with spouse, with siblings, or at any workplace. So if patient is having very deep rooted childhood trauma, so it helps us to get rid of it. It helps us to get analysis or to go for the self analysis, or where we have that stigma and any kind of condition can happen. So earlier we are just, now also we are facing the pandemic effect all over the world, where COVID-19 is there. So in this situation, Smriti medications can help us to get out of this trauma, where a patient already had suffered with this COVID-19. So this is the good strength, or we can say it is an interactive tool guided by Ayurvedic psychotherapy. So now the question will be there that how this psychotherapy will work on our mind. So meditator is asked to lie in a comfortable position or in a semi-couch position. So first we just said that just be relaxed with and relax all your body muscles, and we asked client to aware with the surroundings, and have to aware from the foot foot of your toe till the head, and have to relax that. With all the interactive session, that how client is feeling and how the process will go, we have to give him or her to the deep conscious level. So she or he will think about what will be the process. So this all the procedure can help one Ayurvedic physician to get to the cause, that what is this cause behind his or her psychological emotions or any kind of somatic alignments. So this is the procedure, and this really help out or any kind of psychic emotions or any kind of psychosomatic disorders or any psychiatric feelings. So this is a new technique in which gives us a very impactful life. It is not actually new technique, it's come from Charaka Samhita. We are just applying it in a good way. So here I really want to thank my mentor who has taught me this procedure. From Dilip Kumar sir I just taught this. So this really helps out all the patients, and we have experienced this in our clinical practices. And if anyone's want to get want to really close to their goal of life, so one must go for this Ayurvedic psychotherapy. Thank you.